Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you own a Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 Pro, you know how well it cleans the air, but moving it around isn't easy. That's why I think third-party rollercoaster wheels are a must-have accessory. With these wheels, you can roll your purifier from room to room with almost no effort. Installation is quick and simple. Just attach the wheels to the base and you're ready to go. If you want to do this upgrade yourself, follow along step by step in the video. I'll show you everything from wiping the base clean, to removing the original inserts at the bottom and installing the new wheels. Now, moving the purifier is smooth and easy. No more lifting or dragging. This upgrade makes everyday use so much more convenient. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more smart home tips. Share your own upgrade ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching.